They also played in a 4-3-3 in the match prior. Coach Boucher said his team is fluid in their formation. Here's the lineup for the visitors. Quakes 2 will come out in their signature 4-3-3 formation. Quakes 2 has been pretty consistent. On the left side of your screen is the visitors in their light grays. On the right side of your screen, going to left, was named the MLS Next Rising Star of Match Day for Week 7. Scored his first ever professional goal against LA Galaxy 2. And here we have a chance. Skayen shoots and he scores! A great chance here for Jack Skayen, putting the Earthquakes up 1-0. It was a beautiful progressive pass played by the Earthquakes. Skayen made an excellent run, timed it. 17 assists is the thing that stands out. Hanya's ability to set up teammates and to be that playmaker. Ball swung across, chance here for Richmond. Richmond cuts middle. Richmond shot, and it's in! The San Jose Earthquakes double the lead. Richmond does well, cuts right, and then creates just a little bit of space that he needs. San Jose has been doing a good job of looking for that positive slotted ball forward. It also helps with Jack Skayen and Will Richmond up top making some runs. They're players who can get in behind. Header off the post! A close chance for San Jose. They almost make it 3. Hanya with some space. Hanya cutting right. Just poked away by Tingy. Hanya goes down, and the whistle blows. And Keegan Tingy is going to be issued a yellow card here for San Jose Earthquakes 2. Tingy in a tough spot. Hanya did just get that burst by him in a desperation attempt to stop the play. Tingy just dove. Among the best goal scorers in MLS Next Pro play with a huge chance here. Hanya shoots and Hanya scores! Great composure by Yosuke Hanya. Keeps this ball low, sends Emi Ochoa the wrong way. Cross sent in. Towards the back of the 6, curling, and it's in! My goodness! Do with the heroics for Colorado. Just an unbelievable effort. And there it is, the final whistle. What a finish, what a match. The first shot of this penalty shootout. Skayen shot, and it's saved! Oh my goodness! Marlon Vargas stepping up to the spot. Vargas shot, and it's a cheeky shot, and it's in! Edwards shot, and it's saved! A second consecutive save for Beaudry. The Bourbonnais, Illinois native stepping up to the spot. Marking it, shot, and it's in! Colorado Rapids 2 come up with a huge performance in this penalty shootout to take the extra point.